Building things is awesome. I love getting my hands dirty and creating something new. For years, construction has used the same basic materials and techniques. But now, there's a revolution happening. 3D printing is changing the way we build. Picture this, a giant printer that uses concrete instead of ink. That's the idea behind 3D printing in construction. It's like building something layer by layer, just like those desktop 3D printers, but on a much larger scale. This technology has the potential to build faster, cheaper, and with less waste. One of the most exciting things about 3D printing is the materials we can use. One game changer is carbon fiber. This material is super strong and lightweight. When we add carbon fiber to the plastic filament used in 3D printing, it becomes incredibly tough. This is where things get really interesting for construction. We're talking about buildings that are stronger, lighter, and more sustainable. This is what gets me pumped about the future of construction. 3D printing in construction relies on a technology called fused filament fabrication, or FF. It might sound complicated, but it's actually pretty simple. Imagine a hot glue gun, but instead of glue, it melts plastic. In FFF, a spool of plastic filament is fed into a hot nozzle. The nozzle melts the plastic, which is then deposited in layers according to a computer design. As each layer cools and hardens, it bonds to the layer below, slowly building a three-dimensional object. FFF started as a hobbyist technology used to make small plastic objects, but like all awesome things, it evolved. People started experimenting with different materials, and that's where carbon fiber came in. Adding carbon fiber to the plastic filament created a composite material that was much stronger than the original plastic. This opened up a whole new world of possibilities for FFF, especially in industries like construction that require strong and durable materials. Why is carbon fiber such a big deal? Well, imagine this. It's lighter than steel, but stronger than concrete. Talk about tough. When added to 3D printing filament, carbon fiber makes the final product incredibly strong and rigid. Researchers have been putting carbon fiber reinforced 3D printed materials to the test. They're testing how much weight it can hold, how it handles pressure, and its flexibility. These tests are crucial for understanding how these materials can be used safely and effectively in construction. And the results have been impressive. Carbon fiber significantly increases the strength and durability of 3D printed parts. Imagine buildings that can better withstand earthquakes or lighter and stronger bridges. That's the promise of this technology. Section 4. 3D printing today. Houses, bridges, and beyond. So, what are we building with 3D printing and carbon fiber today? The answer is a lot. We're seeing houses, bridges, and even complex architectural designs being built with this technology. One of the coolest applications is affordable housing. 3D printing can build houses faster and cheaper than traditional methods. This is a game changer for tackling the housing shortage around the world. We're also seeing 3D printed bridges popping up. These bridges can be built on demand and customized to fit specific locations. Plus, they can be made lighter and stronger using carbon fiber reinforced materials. Section 5. The future of construction. Reaching new heights with 3D printing. The future of construction is looking pretty high-tech, and I, for one, am here for it. As 3D printing technology evolves and becomes even more accessible, we can expect to see even more innovative uses in the construction industry. Imagine skyscrapers printed layer by layer, reaching for the clouds, or underwater habitats constructed with robotic 3D printers. The possibilities are as limitless as our imagination. But it's not just about futuristic buildings. 3D printing with carbon fiber can also create more sustainable construction practices. Less waste, faster building times, and stronger, more durable structures are all part of the equation. 3D printing isn't just changing how we build, it's changing what we can build. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the construction industry, making it more efficient, sustainable, and exciting than ever before.